Welcome to this tutorial on how to close your Fidelity account. If you've decided that you no longer need your account or you want to switch to another brokerage, I will guide you through the process step by step. First, log into your Fidelity account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab in the top menu. From there, select Account Settings. You will see different options related to your account, including the option to close your account. Next, look for the option to close your account. Fidelity may ask you to verify your identity, which could involve answering security questions or confirming your identity through email or text. Follow the prompts carefully. It's important to ensure that you have withdrawn or transferred any funds and that you have closed any open positions before finalizing the closure. Finally, review any information or terms provided by Fidelity regarding the account closure. After confirming that everything is in order, submit your request to close the account. You will receive confirmation of the closure, which may take a few days to process. Once your account is closed, you should receive any remaining funds via your chosen withdrawal method. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope this helps you in closing your Fidelity account with ease.